Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now let's scroll down to find the version, let's tap on it and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to not only enable them but also customize. After enabling, we have to get back to the general settings and then tap on additional settings. Let's scroll down and tap on the developer options, and here basically all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. Let's tap on the switcher, and right now this option is active, so your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really have to manually update your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time so your device will have a chance to check for the updates and install them. Of course you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.